Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to convert text to video with AI using the Captions app. So let's get started. First open the Caption app on your phone, then tap Create, then select the AI creators, then choose the prompt to video. Here you'll see a different AI twin option. You can create your own AI twin or choose from AI generated creators to narrate your video. Once you've selected your AI creator, it's time to bring your script to life. Enter your text prompt. Keep it short or detailed, it's up to you. Then tap Generate Script. AI will instantly write a full script based on your input. Review and edit the script if needed. Then tap Generate Video. Within seconds, AI will generate voiceover and visual based on your text. Once your video is ready, use AI Edit to enhance it automatically. AI will add B-roll footage, transition and effects, and more. Simply click a style template and AI will do the rest. Now, with just one text prompt, you've created an AI-powered video with voiceover, captions, and more without touching a camera. And that's it. Now you know how to convert text into video using AI in just a few taps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more AI tips. Thanks for watching.